Here's all the stuff. Teeny tiny O-rings. Valve caps. The T. Airline. I have the air fitting on the back of the truck. So I'm going to put the air fitting instead of on the license plate or people jump up and down getting in the bed of the truck. I have it way down here. So it's underneath the truck on the new plug. So it'll be right here. So this fitting right here will go right through there. Like so. So now I gotta get all this airline ran. Here's the other side. There it is, right there. And I have to go way over there to the other side, to the other new shock. It's right there. So let me get this line on here and I'll show you the rest.